In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover a home and away pepper spray defense kit. This is made by the company Guard Dog Security, and they make a wide variety of pepper sprays. I've used several in the past, and this one is really good because this is used by a lot of the ingredients of law enforcement, security guards, and things like that. And just going over what you get with this package here, this is the 3-in-1 like pepper spray, and then it has the 3-ounce twist top pepper spray with a little thing for it because this is a home defense. So you'd mount this to the wall in your house, so you keep it right by your door, so you know if you need it on the quick go, you got it right there. But then also you have the little small one that mounts on a keychain, and just kind of looking over it here, you can see it's on-the-go protection. You know, it's military grade tear gas with UV dye inside of it. It has the 5-ounce, so it's glow-in-the-dark keychain. That is a glow-in-the-dark keychain. Interesting. Well, that's, oh, this is glow-in-the-dark. How cool is that? So that's actually glow-in-the-dark, everybody. I did not know that. 6 times the protection at your home. Keep your loved ones protected. 3-ounce. You can see how it mounts to the wall, easily mounted. And you know, you want to spray ears, eyes, nose, and throat. This works really well for vicious dogs. That's where I highly recommend it. You know, let's open it up here. I have my Nextel, you know, tool kit right here. I don't think I can open it yet. This thing is, they really put this together. You definitely don't want to poke it with your scissors. These have a blunt tip on them, so I'm not worried about poking a hole in it. All right, let's check out what you get in this package. And I think that's everything. And then this little pamphlet here, see back for details. Streaming spray pattern. You can kind of see the pattern that it does right there. The active ingredients on these things is usually capsaicin. So you get a 3-ounce and a 1/2 ounce. This is the 3-ounce. Check that out. Aim at face of assailants. Press down firmly. You just basically turn it. Oh, that's a very nice. That's very quick. Very satisfying feeling on that. And then this right here is gonna lock in like that, and you would stick that on the wall in your house, or I put it by my front door. So this is by the front door where you could grab it almost instantly. And then this little keychain one is made to go on a keychain and carry with you, or jogging or something, so you'd always have it with you where you could use it pretty quickly. And that's glow in the dark right there. So let's go ahead and let's test this thing and see how it sprays, and just check it out. I don't want to spray myself by this thing, by the way. So what you would do, you would turn it, you would grab it, probably do a quick shake, hold it, and then just do like this. Wow, that came out super fast. I don't smell it. Oh, I smell a little bit of it right there. That's awesome. So it's more of a blast spray on this thing. Same thing with this. I don't want to waste them. And I don't know how many, it doesn't say how many blasts you get, but I'm guessing with 3 ounces you have a lot. Highly recommend pepper spray to anyone that's just like jogging or some sort of like home defense, going back and forth in the mornings to your work, walking. This is something that's really good, but it's like a long range eye poke if you think about it. I am a big fan of this over stun gun, you know, whether it's someone that just needs to, gives you enough time to get away from a vicious dog or maybe some attacker or something like that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's the home and away pepper spray defense kit. See you guys in the next video. Woo!